Hello, my name is Francesca. Today I'm going to walk you through syncing your Google account with NMR Analytics, but ultimately running into an issue with Google Business Profile. I have mentioned this in other videos, but just to quickly recap, to kickstart this process, you will receive an email invitation from your marketing specialist inviting you to connect your Google account. Now, inside that email, we do suggest an email address that you use. This is the Google account that we have on file for your business. However, it is not the Google account that you have to use. As a reminder, the Google account that you do choose to use ultimately needs to have access to Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Google Business Profile. For the purposes of today's video, I'm going to use a different email address than the one that is suggested here, knowing for sure that Google account does not have access to Google Business Profile. So you'll see what that looks like and then how we troubleshoot it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Connect Your Google Account. It will bring me to this login screen. The suggested email address was francescahelberg@gmail.com, but I'm going to use a different one, and I'm going to choose f20bio@gmail. As mentioned in the email address, be sure to check all three boxes on the select what new media retailer can access screen. So I will select the remaining three and then click continue. Now I have run into an issue here. I see analytics are good, Google Search Console is good, but the Google account does not have access to Google Business Profile. So what do I do now? Well, to be honest, it is going to be a little bit of trial and error. You do need to figure out if there is already an account associated with that business at the store. That can be trying a few different email addresses to log in, trying a few different forgot passwords. If you are able to get access to the listing, what you would do is log in and click users. Now, when you hover over the icons here, you can see the email addresses of the other users. Now, I'm logged in right now as a manager. Managers cannot add, edit, or remove other users. So you will need to contact someone who says owner or primary owner and ask that they give you access to the account. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will show you the next steps. Okay, so I was able to connect with the owner and ask that they invite me as a manager to that Google business listing. Now, just quickly want to mention, being invited is not enough to resolve the connection error. You do need to actually hit accept from the email and then click accept one more time. And then you'll get an email saying you can now manage that business listing. So now that I do have access, I'm going to come back to the page where I saw the initial error, and I'm going to hit refresh. And you'll see that that error was automatically resolved. If you have any questions or you run into an issue where you were added as a manager or an owner of a Google Business Profile listing, and this does not automatically resolve itself once you've accepted the invitation, please go ahead and submit a support ticket so that our project team can look into this for you.